Are you thinking about moving to third-party support for your SAP environment? Here's the reality. SAP wants you on their roadmap, paying maintenance, paying uplifts, and eventually moving to S/4HANA on their timeline. But third-party support can give you another option. Lower annual costs, longer life for ECC, and the freedom to decide when or if you migrate. The question is it right for your business? That's where we come in. At Redress Compliance, we help you evaluate whether third-party support makes sense for your environment. We look at your current ECC footprint, customizations, and support needs, then compare the costs and risks against SAP's offering. If it's the right fit, we don't stop there. We help you run the negotiation, benchmark vendor pricing, and secure the best deal with the right terms to protect your business. And if third-party support isn't the best path, we'll tell you that too, and help you use the option as leverage against SAP in your next renewal. You don't have to accept SAP's roadmap as your only future. You have options. Contact Redress Compliance to explore whether SAP third-party support is the right one for you.